Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching Digitwise. In this video, I am going to show you how to dim desktop widgets automatically on Mac. So desktop widgets are designed to stay in the background while you work. To help reduce distraction, macOS can automatically fade or dim your widgets whenever you are actively using an application and bring them back with full color when you return to your desktop. This behavior is controlled by dim widgets on desktop setting. When this setting is set to automatically, macOS intelligently decide when widgets should faded, and normally they will appear in full color when you are looking at your desktop. But as soon as the application window become active, the widget become dim so they don't compete with the content you are working on. This create a cleaner workspace while keeping your widgets available whenever you need them. So if you would like to use this automatic behavior, here's what to do. First, click on the Apple logo and choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, go to Desktop and Dock and scroll until you find Widgets in right side pane. Now here, click on the drop down menu right to dim widgets on desktop and you will see three different options: automatically, always and never. Choose automatically, and as you can see, from now on macOS will automatically decide when your widgets should appear dim and when they should return to full color depending on what you are doing. Once enabled, your Mac will have to manually adjust the brightness of your widgets again. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.